Question 4 says, starting from -1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show that -1 into -1 is equal to 1. So we have to come up with a pattern that takes us from -1 into 5 to -1 into -1. So here's what we will do. We will reduce this second multiplier, which is initially 5, in steps of 1, and we will go all the way down to -1. Okay, and as we do this, we will make use of this number line that I have drawn to help us visualize what is happening. Okay, so let's begin. We start with -1 times 5. So -1 times 5, which is equal to -5. And -5 is this point here on the number line. Then we reduce the second multiplier 5, we reduce it by 1. So the product becomes -1 times 4. And -1 times 4 is equal to -4. Now let's think of -4 as going 1 unit to the right of -5. So from -5, if we jump 1 unit to the right, so let me use a different color. From -5, we jump 1 unit to the right, we get -4. So we can think of -4 as the previous product -5 plus 1. Okay, now let's continue the pattern. Again, we take this multiplier and reduce it by 1. So the next thing we get is -1 into 3, and this will be equal to -3. And we can think of -3 as going 1 unit to the right from -4. So we can write -3 as -4 plus 1. Okay, now let's reduce this multiplier again. So now next we will get -1 into 2. So -1 into 2 will be -2. And we can think of -2 as going 1 unit to the right from -3. So we can write this as -3 plus 1. Okay, now we take this multiplier and reduce it by 1 again. So now we get -1 into 1, which is -1, which is going 1 unit to the right from -2. So we can write -1 as -2 plus 1. And now we reduce this multiplier again. And the next thing we get is -1 into 0, which is equal to 0. And this is basically 1 unit to the right of -1. So we can write 0 as the previous product -1 plus 1. And so if we now go to the next step of the pattern, what will we obtain? So let's write the next step of the pattern now. So in the next step, we will take this multiplier 0 and reduce it by 1 again. So in the next step, we will get -1 into -1 now. And according to the pattern, what should this be equal to? Well, this should be equal to it should be equivalent to jumping 1 unit to the right from 0. So this should be equal to 0 plus 1, the previous answer plus 1, which is equal to 1. Correct? And therefore, we have, through this pattern, we have calculated the product -1 times 1, -1 times -1 as 1. So this completes question number 4. To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.